I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're really looking to transfer funds from a phone to your bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device or visit the Affirm website. Make sure you reload into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once you re-enter the app, look for the Payments tab in the main menu. This is where you can manage your transactions. Step 3. Select Transfer Funds. In the Payments section, find and select the option that says Transfer Funds. This will allow you to initiate the transfer process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will need to input your bank account information if you haven't done so already. Make sure the account details are correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. After entering your bank details, review the transfer amount and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. I hope this helps you transfer your funds smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.